Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please subscribe and tap that bell for more videos.
Build your life, do it yourself.
Hey guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I have another grocery haul for you from Kroger. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you what I got. I got, of course, my Carb Master vanilla yogurts. I got green bell pepper, some celery, I got a bag of carrots, just whole carrots. I'm trying to make some for the kids. They don't look, it was really dark in the camera for some reason. They don't look like that bad. As you've been seeing, I got my sweet kale chop kit, broccoli, green cabbage, kale, Brussels sprouts, pepitas, radicchio, and cranberries with poppy seed dressing. I eat that all the time. I got Texas toast, garlic toast, Kroger brand. I got a couple of these Kroger brand microwave 3-minute pizzas, cheese pizzas for the kids. I got these groceries like 2 days ago, so there's a few things that are already open. I don't know if I showed you guys these before, but these are the Simple Truth organic sweet potato corn tortilla chips. They're really good. I haven't gotten them in a while. I got them again and I forgot how good they were. So you should try those out. I got a couple of bags of popcorn. They were out of the plain popcorn, so they substituted this. I don't usually use the butter popcorn, but that will do. Regular mild cheddar shredded cheese. I got the Mexican style shredded cheese reduced fat. I've been trying to use that for me when I remember to. Mexican style blend shredded cheese, shredded Monterey Jack, mild cheddar queso quesadilla, and asadero cheeses. I got my La Banderita carb counter, low carb tortillas. Says we eat those all the time. We always have those. I've not had these before, but I got these. I thought maybe the kids would like these Kroger brand prep sweet potatoes. Like they're like cubed sweet potatoes, quick cooking, fresh peeled and cut sweet potatoes ready in 4 minutes. So I might try these for the kids and me too. I got some waffles. So this is the first time since the pandemic started that my Kroger has had chocolate chip waffles. We started being out like very quickly. I remember like around when our schools closed and stuff, that's when we started having problems. And they've been out ever since until now. So there we go. Chocolate chip waffles for the kids. Maple and brown sugar oatmeal. This is the only oatmeal I ever eat. There's that. Little Debbie oatmeal cream pies for the kids. I had those in a long time. I also got some Kroger brand medium roast special roast ground coffee for me. I'm getting all mixed up. I got these Kroger brand jazz apples. I ordered the Gala apples that I usually get, and they replaced it with these. So hopefully the kids will like these. They ate one so far, I think. So they looked a little different. It says they're sweet and tangy. I got some bananas, which we've already eaten about half of them. There's bananas. Some Simple Truth organic chicken breast. It's drippy because I'm thawing it out to cook for dinner tonight. I'm going to show you more in a minute. Okay, so here's some more things that I got. I got these Little Remedies saline drops, saline spray, and nose drops. It's for kids. My daughter's kind of been having a stuffy nose. So Needed some more of that. I got this La Mexicana mild salsa. There's that. Got some strawberries. Got some blue bonnet margarine sticks. Some pork sausage links. We also got bacon, but we made that for breakfast today. It's a Kroger brand nighttime baby shampoo. Lavender and chamomile. I got fat-free skim milk for me. I don't normally ever drink milk, but I've been trying to drink it a little bit and eat cereal. Oops. Got some Country Crock butter, the original butter. Got 2 18 packs of eggs. Whole milk for the kids. Kroger brand original pulp-free orange juice. I got some Dawn dish soap. The Kroger 1% low-fat chocolate milk. And unsweetened tea that we get. We try to get 3 gallons. We drink a lot of it, but they only had 1. And then I also got this Kroger brand sparkling water beverage. These are the kiwi strawberry. I hardly ever like sparkling water, but for some reason I like theirs. I like these ones. So I got a couple of those. I think they're like 60 or 70 cents a piece for 1 liter. And then I also got some frosted mini wheats. I think that's pretty much everything that I got. So all this ended up being about $140. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Check out all my links below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Take care.